Stop. Are you saying English words wrong without even knowing it? You might think you're speaking correctly, but trust me, you're not. Here's the thing. Millions of English learners and even native speakers confuse simple words like borrow and lend, or fun and funny. And guess what? It makes conversations awkward and sometimes even hilarious. But don't worry, today I'll fix all of that. I'm breaking down the 10 most confusing English word pairs with easy examples and fun mini dialogues. By the end of this video, you'll never mess them up again. Race. Let's jump in and see how many you have been using wrong.
Number 1. Borrow versus lend. To borrow means to take something from someone for a short time. To lend means to give something to someone for a short time. Example sentences. Can I borrow your phone for a second? Can I lend you my phone? Tip to remember. If you're receiving, it's borrow. If you're giving, it's lend.
Number 2. Fun versus funny. Fun means something that is enjoyable. Funny means something that makes you laugh. Example sentences. Roller coasters are fun. That joke was funny. You cannot say, the party was funny. Rather, you will say the party was fun. Tip. Funny equals laugh. Fun equals smile.
Number 3. Affect versus effect. Affect is a verb, which means to influence something or someone. Effect is a noun, which means the end result of something. Example sentences. Not sleeping affects my mood. The effect of not sleeping is feeling tired. Tip. Affect equals action. Effect equals end result.
Number 4. Say versus tell. When you use say, the focus is on the words spoken. When you use tell, the focus is on who hears it. Example sentences. What I said was that she is my friend. She wants to tell me a story. You cannot say, he said me a secret. Rather, you will say, he told me a secret. Tip. If there's a person after it, use tell.
Number 5. Advice versus advise. Advice is a noun, which refers to a suggestion. Advise is a verb, which means to give a suggestion. Example sentences are, thanks for your advice. He advised me to rest. A tip is, advice equals thing, advise equals action.
Number 6. Lose versus loose. Lose means to misplace something or to not win, whereas loose means something that is not tight. Example sentences. Don't lose your phone. These shoes are too loose. Our team will lose the game. Tip. Lose an O when you lose something.
Number 7. Since versus for. Since is used to indicate the starting point of something. For is used to show duration or how long a thing has been. Example sentences. I've lived here since 2010. I've lived here for 10 years. You cannot say, I have been waiting since 10 years. Rather, you will say, I have been waiting for 10 years. Tip. Since equals when, for equals how long.
Number 8. Bring versus take. Bring is to move something toward you. Take is to move something away. Example sentences. Bring the book for me. Take this letter to the office. You cannot say,
take me some coffee. Rather, you will say, bring me some coffee. Tip: toward is bring, away is take. Number 9. There versus there. There is used to show possession of a thing. That is, you are saying something belongs to someone. There is used to show the location of a thing. Example sentences. Their car is new. The book is over there. Tip: use your ears. They sound the same, but the meaning changes.
Number 10. To versus to. To means also or very. To shows direction or purpose. Example sentences. I'm hungry too. Or, the food is too spicy. I'm going to the store. Tip: to equals also. To equals direction. And there you have it. 10 word pairs that confuse almost everyone. Now you know the difference, and you can use them like a pro. Which pair was the hardest for you? Comment below. Let's learn together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eng Glow Up for more fun lessons. See you next time.